DOOGEE T30. Max tablet is packed with features that might just make it your new go-to device. So whether you're a student, gamer, creative professional, or just someone who needs a productivity beast, stick around as we explore 5 reasons why you should buy the DOOGEE T30 Max tablet. Let's start with what you see first: the display. The T30 Max boasts a massive 12.4-inch 4K IPS screen. That means stunning visuals, sharp text, and vibrant colors, perfect for watching movies, editing photos, or crushing those presentations. Whether you're binging your favorite show or designing a masterpiece, the T30 Max delivers an immersive and eye-catching experience. It packs a serious punch under the hood with the MediaTek Helio G99 processor. This octa-core powerhouse delivers smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and running demanding applications. Plus, with a whopping 20 GB of RAM. The T30 Max lets you seamlessly switch between apps without a hitch. And let's not forget the massive 512 GB of storage, which gives you ample space for all your files, games, and media. Whether you're a budding photographer or just love capturing memories, the T30 Max has you covered. The rear camera system features a 50 megapixels main sensor that takes crystal clear photos and videos, even in low light conditions. The 20 megapixels front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls, ensuring you always look your best. It tackles that worry with a monstrous 10,800 mAh battery. This means you can work, play, and create for extended periods without needing to scramble for a charger. And when you do need to top up, the 33 watts fast charging technology gets you back in action in no time. The T30 Max isn't just for entertainment and productivity. It's a haven for creative minds. With support for a 4096 level pressure active stylus, the T30 Max transforms into a powerful digital canvas. Whether you're taking notes, sketching ideas, or designing graphics, the stylus offers precise control and a natural writing experience. This tablet offers a compelling package with a stunning display, powerful performance, versatile cameras, long-lasting battery life, and creative potential. If you're looking for a do-it-all tablet that won't disappoint, the DOOGEE T30 Max is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below and let me know what features are most important to you in a tablet. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and comparisons.